Hey guys, this is Jom and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, I was working on a project, okay, and I had to came with the situation that I didn't had the AutoCAD plan, but yeah, I did had the I, PDF file for that. Okay, so I thought that this situation may came across you also, and you don't want to draft everything from the scratch, right? So what can be the easy hack for this? So the easiest way is to import the PDF. Now the question is how can we import the PDF properly into AutoCAD? I'm just going to show that to you right over here. Okay, so guys, if you are finding this useful, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are using AutoCAD and who might be in need of this video. And also if you are new to the channel, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so guys, you can see I have this home button over here. Okay, and we usually work over here. So whenever you are beginning with AutoCAD, you will came across things like this. Okay, now you have to import the PDF over here. So for that, you will have to go to the Insert tab, and over here you have three options. So any one of them may have been highlighted to you. So you have to simply come over here and click on the PDF import. Okay, then suppose you want to import this particular PDF, then you will have to choose this one, then click on open, and then you will have to specify a few things like what should be the scale of this one, where should be the insertion point. Like if you will click on this, specify the insertion point on the screen, then you can simply paste this imported PDF file anywhere. If you will not select it, or you can simply uncheck it, then you will find this PDF file imported to the origin. Okay, so this is the use of this option. Then the rotation, if you want to rotate the PDF, but normally we do not have to use this one. Then the PDF data to import the vector geometry, solid files, true type files, and raster images. What are the different things that you want to import over here? So if you want to import everything, then you can simply import over here. If you want to just discard the logos and everything, then the raster image can be left out. Then what are the different types of the layers that you want to create? Do you want to use the PDF layers, whatever the layers are that are being used in the PDF? Do you want to use those layers, or you want to create the object layers, or you want to simply import it into the current layer? Okay, so these are the three options that can be uh, like uh, picked from here. And if you want to learn more about these things, then I have made a AutoCAD course, and you can simply find the course details in the description. All you have to do is to install the Civil Raja app on your Android mobile, and you will be able to use the course that is on AutoCAD, and it is covering all the basics of the AutoCAD. Okay, so if you have your basics clear, then you can simply just use any of these options according to the need, and everything has been explained properly in that course. Okay, now if you want to import this as a block or not, so I will just show you how to import it as a block, and then I will also show you what if you are not importing it as a block. Okay, then there is another thing, join lines and the arc segments. So whatever the lines and arcs are there, you have to simply join them so that the letters will also be imported properly over here. Okay, then apply line width property. If you'll not check this one, then what will happen? If your PDF is having some bold lines, some thinner lines, then those line width properties will not be imported over here. So you must try to use this option other, unless specified otherwise. If you do not want the line width, then you can simply keep it unchecked. Then convert solid fills to hatches. So this will distort your hatches normally, because of whenever we have the solid filter, we simply want to keep it like that way only. Okay, then infer line tabs and the collinear dashes. So there are many options over here, but what we have to go with, you can use this one. For now I'm not using this one. Okay, or I can simply check this one. I will show you how it is being used. So you can see this file is moving with my cursor, and I want to place it somewhere, so I can simply place it like this. Okay, so this will be imported wherever I want. Okay, now this I have imported as a block. So you will see that whenever I'm clicking on this one, this is being selected as a block. Okay, now I will go with another option, that is PDF import. Okay, click on there, select the desired file, then go for here, uncheck this option. Okay, and uncheck this one also, and let's see what will happen. So you'll see that the file is directly imported to the origin. Okay, and this is not being imported as a block. So if you will click over here, then it will create a single line over here. Okay, so these lines are being clicked. Okay, if you will just click on the letters, then these are actually being detected as the figures over here and not letters. Okay, however, you will find them exactly as they were in the PDF, but yeah, they will be detected as the figures over here. Okay, now if you want to place it somewhere, okay, then you can simply go to the home button, click on the move, and then you can simply move it wherever you want. Okay, so I guess everything has been clarified to you, and now you can easily and properly import the PDF files. So guys, if you have found this video useful, then hit the like button, share this video as much as you can, and also if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to my channel. That boosts my energy to bring more videos for you. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.